We're waiting for your podiatrist to come for your lovely feet.
Yeah, my lovely feet. You've got something different on there. What is it?
It's a burger
Anchovies.
cheeseburger pizza.
Sky Boy jersey. You want to go see what you saw in Sydney? You saw Sydney in there? Yeah, you saw that, a couple days ago. Getting the twins some antibiotics. They coughed really bad still. Hey guys, I'm going to buy you each a pair of this.
That's good for Dad.
Oh. All right.
They're still warming. Come have a look. Got a few leftovers from yesterday.
Few leftovers from yesterday. From Brisbane. From Brisbane.
You love
Oh,
Brisbane,
hang on.
not Sydney,
It's a lot happening. Oh, it's Sydney and Brisbane. They look alike to me.
My face is so
Anyway, what else is happening? We've got another trip to plan. We're going back to Sydney again.
Yeah, but we don't know when because we've got a couple games to play.
Couple of games here to play.
And we've got the handball nationals. 5 playing in that. 5 out of 10. The other 5 are here.
Okay. Work out a lot of things.
Oriel, Sheena, Chalice, Shayla, and Oren. Oh, enough. You missed out by 1 year.
Oh, to play the Nationals handball. Okay.
You gonna win, guys?
So we've got to go up there the second time around. Gee.
Drive then, not win? Oh, easy.
It's going to be very hard, isn't it?
It's gonna be fun.
Oh.
Easy win. We got the cheer squad here.
All right. We look forward to Sydney again. It wasn't bad. It's good. Yes, you got to cheer your brothers and sisters. Orion's playing too. We're playing Uno. Keeping away from the conversation, girls. Who's winning? Oh. No cheating going on there. Hey, look at that. That's good. Let's have some breakfast. What are you doing? What are you up to? Doing your hair? Who's doing your hair?
I'm trying to do my hair, but this hand tie
Oh,
won't let me.
won't let you. We'll get one of the big girls to do it. What did you want to show me, Chandel? Can I go now?
No.
Oh, you want to draw me something? That's sweet. Oh, who's that? That's supposed to be me.
Yeah, it is, Dad. It's you.
It's me. Oh.
Camera.
Oh, that looks exactly like me.
And I
You sure it's not Mum?
no,
Just me.
no, more.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna draw my
All right. Keep drawing. Thank you for that. All right, rolls have been served for breakfast. Come and get it. Azrael, where are you? Where's Ezzy?
Here!
Okay, get on the table. Breakfast is on.
Alright, we're waiting for your podiatrist to come for your lovely feet.
My lovely feet. I just will cut them, clean
Yes,
them,
so we're waiting
moisturize
all
them,
morning just for you.
and polish them.
I've been doing some cleaning, I've been sorting out some issues that we've had with some sporting things, and there's your podiatrist now, so there we go. You'll have nice feet after this, darling.
Thank you.
Got something in the car.
Oh, I'm gonna. The doctor's is here. She's gonna get something. Someone else.
Well, she's gonna look fancy.
Yeah.
Podiatry, hey?
Huh?
Your smelly feet.
Yeah.
I'd hate to be your podiatrist, darling.
I've got a couple of rotten nails where I can't cut them. They're too hard to cut. So they've got to have special scissors.
Look at him gallivanting. Hey, Orison, that belongs outside, please.
Yeah, not around the house.
outside.
Yep. Put it away, please. I'll See your nice feet in a minute. Alright, how'd it go?
Yeah, it's pretty good. The
look.
tough nails
All
are all
that
cut.
dark stuff on
Yeah.
your feet is from trauma.
Trauma. I've been traumatized. They reckon my nails are traumatized.
They are.
People step on
Very
them.
traumatic.
10 kids
Quit
stepping
dragging
on
it.
10 kids stepping on my nails.
Alright. Well, you're done. We can go and get lunch
let's go
now.
and
We
get
had to
some
wait
lunch.
quite a while, but I had some admin work to do. I've still got a lot to do. Yeah.
Never ending work.
Pizza today. You hungry?
Pizza today. She's getting wild.
Right, and you're having fish, so you're going to make me line up over there just to get your fish.
Yes, I'll go line up for you. No.
Come on, let's
go.
go get your fish.
That's strong. So, how are you going, girls? Everybody happy with their lunch? Azrael? No? Let's start with your pizza. Go on. Oh, good. How are you going, boys and girls?
This pizza's really good.
Good. Oh, it's got something different on there. What is it?
It's a burger
Anchovies.
pizza. Cheeseburger
There you go.
pizza. Sky Voyager, Ozzy? You want to go see what you saw in Sydney?
Yeah, and I want
You have a good look.
I have this.
Take your shoes off. Yes, you do.
Yeah, I want to go to Sky Voyager.
Her favourite, Sky Voyager. Let's go and we'll get some ice cream.
Yeah.
That was good, wasn't it? Where's Ozzy? You saw Sydney in there?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah, you saw that, a couple days ago. Have you enjoyed it?
That was yesterday.
No, yesterday we drove back, day before. Ice cream. And we're going to go and do some sports somewhere.
I know what
Let's go. Did you have a dream on one day holiday? Don't say one day. That day will never come. Wash away your worries. And I don't know the rest of the words.
My favorite ice cream.
Oh, we all love Dream World, especially Dad and his ice cream. Let's go. Alright, this Chemist Warehouse. You're still eating it? No, I'm good. Getting the twins some antibiotics. They cough really bad still.
Yeah.
So, doctor said, antibiotics. Hey?
All the doctor's orders.
Oh, that's my favourite.
I like jupe. Do you
I
like jupe?
that. Does this smell the same as mine?
Yeah, smell it.
Mm.
I like jupe.
Yeah, I like a lot. I don't get time to look though. Too many hands on everything.
Let me spray
Are you
you.
busting for
What's
the
this one called?
bathroom, my dear? Alright, let's take it out.
This one's
Wow.
I think they're washing it.
Oh, they're washing the roof, are they? What are they up to?
are. The roof's clean.
Is it? They're doing something.
It's wet on the floor.
That's nice. Construction at Bowl.
What happened, Mom?
Alright, time for some practice, my people.
Yep. Mom, what happened, Mom?
We're doing something here.
Like what?
I don't know. There's water there, so they're cleaning something. Alright guys, pack up, put this mats and decks away. You can see you're not putting it away.
Because I won.
That's why I
Don't want to know the score.
Alright. There's oil. Look a bit sad there.
What, you lost?
No.
It's not empty. You can fall.
What are we at Key of the Mark for?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. You summons me here and you don't know. Come on, spit it.
Black leggings.
Black leggings.
Tripod.
There's tripod.
tall.
Shalice is cold, so you're feeling her legs.
I'm not cold. I'm wearing jeans.
How do you feel about that, Shalice? Okay, fair enough.
Why do you
Onwards to
wear a
Kmart.
skirt?
Hey?
She wears a skirt in winter.
She wears a skirt in winter.
A skirt. Skirt.
That's just Shalice manning up, isn't it, Shalice? Good on you. Hey guys, I'm gonna buy you each a pair of this.
That's good for Dad.
I'm gonna buy everyone a pair of this. You like it?
Yeah.
I reckon it looks really good. It looks more like Skittles though.
Well, why don't you get the sunshine?
Spongy.
Orphan holds
Look, I'm gonna buy you this too. Oh, you can't see that. Masters of the Universe. Oh, look, Dad got some undies.
Let's
Boxer shorts, pajama pants. You got a nice donut.
Quite big, don't they?
And here's some hot dogs for the hottie wannabe.
Hot dogs as well.
Think you're hot? Think you're not? Well, they get some jerseys and the little girls got one of these tops because they like the girls one. You know, the one with the cherry on it? They got that. You like that?
The blue one's stretchy.
Yeah. And a tripod. Twins like filming sports videos. So.
That'd be good to film.
Alright, and Orson got a jumper there.
Where's your jumper?
Who are you barracking for now?
Oh,
Suns. I think there's an AFL team. I don't know. He just likes buying anything that looks good.
that's good.
Mom, how can Orson
I don't normally buy white. It was $2, so once it gets dirty, we'll toss it.
You could tie-dye it. Yeah, I've got some tie-dye in it.
Yeah, you could do that once it gets
Once it
dirty.
gets dirty, you should tie-dye it.
What's a tie-dye? It's where you
Yeah, it's where you dye it all different
Change
colours.
the colour.
You know, like that Scooby-Doo jumper? The one here? Who's got the Scooby jumper?
Shayla's got it on.
Oh, is she? Shayla?
You should dye
That's
that.
tie-dye.
I'm out. Oh.
She did it?
She did it? No. I don't think we're that talented. Alright,
That's because they did it.
let's go home and eat some pizza! Yay!
Washing machine. Then it goes there. You put it.
No, you gotta put rubber bands on it, I think. Look it up.
Pizza it is. You got a few in the oven already. You what? Don't go wet everything with that gun of yours.
I don't have time to cook. There's a lot of things to do.
Yummy.
So we're just gonna have an easy meal.
Easy. Aren't you gonna put these pieces as well in there?
Yeah.
What's the warm them up?
Yeah, we'll leave them. I'll heat them up if they're still really hot.
Yeah.
Hooch is looking at the pizza. You are.
Those likes chippies.
We'll just put them here because I'll just serve it on that. Makes it easy.
All right. So let dinner happen. It'll be ready in about 15 minutes.
Out here. This is what happens to.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the eyes. Look, please.
She gets excited and she bangs her eyes. Sit down, Hooch.
Oh, she banged her eye. It always happens, doesn't it?
So she got.
It's all red.
She's got no. This little skin pops out.
It
You've got
comes
to.
out.
For these dogs, you got to pop it back.
How do you pop it back?
If
Give her
you
a
stay
shake.
still, it'll be good. Okay.
Ah, you're massaging it in. Oh, it's just gone back in.
Good, hey? Yeah. Good girl. Is she why you want food? You hungry?
All right.
She's already had some.
Hot it, Deborah.
All right. Dinner will be set. What on earth are you doing now? Look at this, Shell. Who said he could do this?
That looks really safe, I'm so proud of you.
Can someone hold it so I can
Oh, you're gonna fall with it and damage yourself.
hold it?
Shalice is going to get tail whipped.
Hold it. I'll move it.
Shalice, he's gonna spin that around. Who's it? Oh, I like your new T-shirt too.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, keep out of the way.
I'm going to get smacked in the
What are you trying to do? Show me.
go.
Chase,
Oh,
it wobbled.
what happened?
Wobbled it. You went like that.
Yeah, it did wobble when you
Doesn't matter.
Square one.
All right, girls, don't go shooting everyone with that water gun. No. Oh no.
No, don't shoot everyone. Just shoot Dad, eh?
No, it's too cold for that. Oh, then we gotta film this again. Here he goes.
It does wobble.
An evil daredevil.
Shalice is holding it for you.
Evil Knievel.
Out of sight.
Don't drop it.
Oh, you didn't get hurt? A little bit. It's not saying no, Shandell. Shandell, that'll do. Sprayed me with water. All right, dinner's. Oh, not again. You gotta stop that. Where's Mum disappeared to? Just gotta wait for the pizza.
No, at least they get one yesterday.
Pizza's ready. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Is it nice and warm? Nice and hot.
There you go.
What are you doing there?
Trying to break them in half. You can see.
Oh yeah. I see. Good idea.
Busy. I've got a couple of trays. There we go. Nothing better than a pizza box.
Pizza box, yeah. How nice and thoughtful is that? Eating pizza on a pizza box? Beautiful.
And I've got the trays too. Can someone put them on the table?
What happened to those nice rolls? They're all gone, eh? We had last night and this morning a little bit. What's that? Is it Azrael's? Phil, bring your chair forward. I don't know. Is it Azrael's? Yeah, it's yours.
Yeah, that's yours.
Don't go drop that.
You get a new one.
Hot pizzas.
Right.
Lady, are you licking your lips? Yeah, yummy. That beautiful pizzas it is.
Beautiful. Beautiful Beethoven, hey?
Dribbling is.
He was
She
so
is.
excited when we came home.
I know,
She
jumping.
called Azrael right over.
Right over. Oh,
Hey?
so dangerous, the
She
dog.
thinks she's a little one.
A little dog, she doesn't understand. Very dangerous, but beautiful
Look at
dog.
the slob. Just give her a pat.
Oh, slob and fur all over
All
you.
the way down.
And she dared touch me with those dirty hands you. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, we gotta go.